that I want you here. Yeah. Being serious, I ain't even trying. A bitch just curious, huh? I'm chilling, tripping.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, it's Hermosabelle. As you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be putting together a vanity. I'm actually going to be doing like a dupe, like a hack, and I'm going to be using Ikea pieces. So I'm going to be using the Ikea Alex drawers, and I'm also going to be using this tabletop. I think it's called the Lindmon tabletop. I'm gonna have everything listed down below in my description, and that of course is from Ikea as well. So as you guys probably already know, if you guys are watching this video, vanities can be kind of pricey, kind of expensive. So I definitely was looking for a way to get the best bang for my buck, especially since I am redoing my room. So I kind of want this video to be a video to help you guys if you guys are deciding to make a vanity for your room. I definitely recommend that you guys use Ikea. It's really affordable. The Alex drawers, I think they were like $79 each, and then the tabletop was $29.99. And they also have two other sizes that you guys can pick for your tabletop. There's one that's smaller and it's $8.99. And then I think there's another one that's larger, and I think that one's like $39.99. I'm not sure, but I am gonna have all of that listed down below in the description for you guys. They finally have the Alex drawer in stock. Last time I came they didn't have it, so it looks a little rusty at top because, you know, but this is what it's called. It's the Alex drawer unit, and it looks like this. And then the ones at the bottom are a little bit wider, and they have 3 different sizes. I'm thinking of getting the smaller size just because of the space that I'm working for, and it's only $8.99.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
So this is how it's looking so far. One of the steps is a little confusing. When you put the drawer on, you have to like push it all the way in so it grips like these metal things on the side, and then you pull it out. And after you pull it out, you want to make sure that the metal thing is pulled all the way up. So once you guys do it, you guys will understand. And once it is, you guys are going to get these little nails and nail it through it. I hope I'm making sense, so it stays attached to the metal things on the side. So basically these things right here, I think you guys can see that pull out. The reason that I didn't put the last drawer on the top is because there are these holes on the top that you're supposed to be able to attach the tabletop to it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna attach the tabletop on it or just put it on there and hope that it doesn't move to the side, but I'm aiming towards wanting to attach it. I just have to see how much is left over, because if you guys have watched these videos of making the IKEA drawers, sometimes there's like inches that hang off because the tabletop is longer than the length of the drawers. So I'm leaving this space open because if I put the drawer in and then nail it, and it's kind of going to be stuck, and you're not going to be able to like nail it in because you have to go through the bottom to get to the tabletop. So I'm just going to leave this out.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? If you have it, place on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have it, place on nothing. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but
Alright y'all, so I basically set where I want the drawers to be. As you guys can see, this is the little bit of space because I did match it to the front. It's actually perfect. I thought it was going to be a lot of space hanging off, but I'm guessing the people who had it that way, they got like the smaller size tabletop, which is called the Linmon one, and I have the Lag Kapten, however you pronounce it. So I definitely recommend this one. I think this one's perfect because it does have this spacing in between the drawers, and I think that's a perfect amount of spacing for me to be able to sit and to fit my knees comfortably. So now what I'm going to do is see if I can show you guys. There's these two holes here, and I'm basically going to attach those two holes to the holes on this drawer. So all right y'all, so I'm actually not going to do that step because it doesn't align with the holes properly. Like if I were to align it with the hole that it has, it like brings this to the side and it's going to be uneven. So I'm contemplating if I should just screw it in myself and just add the additional holes on the bottom, which I'm fine with doing because I'm not going to change the vanity anytime soon, and if I unscrew it, it'll be fine. It's wood, and the screws are not going to go through this chunk of width and reach the top, so it won't damage it. So I'm contemplating doing that. So I'm gonna get a screw and see a screw that's big because the hole's pretty big to fit these big screws that I showed you earlier. So I do have a set of screws, so I'm gonna see if I can make that work.
so confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? If you have